Tiene piquete, mami, yo también. Tú estás buena, yo estoy bueno también. Bueno, estoy con los 300. Si tú lo quieres, lo tienes que mover. Tú tienes piquete, mami, yo también. Tú estás buena, yo estoy bueno también. Bueno, tiene piquete, mami, yo también. Tú estás buena. Lo tienes que mover. Lo tienes que mover. Lo tienes que mover.
Llega al club con el combo, rápido, largo y lejos. Se pintaban los labios y la copa como espejo. Se acercó poco a poco y yo queriendo que me baile. Luego me dijo, que te enseño a bailar. Y nos fuimos de luna, empezamos la ruina. Y con la nota rápido nos dieron las tres. Perdimos toda la noche y nos dormimos a las 10. Ando rezando la Dios para repetirlo otra vez. Y nos fuimos en...
Hello, hello. Can you guys hear me? Hello?
Hello, Master Kelvin.
Hello, how you doing, my brother?
How are you, bro? Welcome. We're getting ready now.
Welcome to ElDoradoFX. Great, nice to be here. Okay, let's go into it.
You want to share your screen?
Yeah, just give me a second.
Yeah, whenever you're ready.
Just activate the option so I can share. I will let you know. Okay. Almost there. Okay. Okay, so let me know if you can see the screen. It's already been shared, so.
Yeah, all good. That's good.
All good, so you can see the screen. That's really good. Okay, guys. I hope that you've been doing well. I know that Ricardo has been killing it for you guys, and that's really good. I'm really happy for that. My explanation, I step away a little bit from public trading, but here we are. So today, I was taking a look of gold, and it seems to be like it's been a little bit of playing from gold. If you can see that, but it's very interesting that I haven't taken this low here. So this is 1 minute. Let's go in the 4 hours. It's really good, better view. So as you know, this is not financial advice of any kind. This is again our analysis and our view of what we think it can happen in the market. So we're just gonna try to analyze and see key areas that we might get in. So in line with fundamentals now, it seems to be like NFP is coming negative for the dollar. So that's the forecast that we have from forexfactory.com. But again, we're not going to enter the move until the news is released. So we're just going to observe the market, check the behavior, and also get, if you guys have any input, you can also tell us as well about your input. But because remember, NFP we cannot predict. It's the biggest news in the market, so we're just gonna try to follow along. What we see is the best. If we go on entry, and remember, it's not financial advice. It's gonna be a simple buy or sell from our view, and it's always going to be between 60 and 100 pips. You are used to that. USL, so we're not gonna call SL, just gonna say buy or sell in case we see the move. And again, we can probably say, okay, we think it's gonna go down straight away or anything, and then it's for you to make the decision. But our decision will be made after NFP is released. Okay, the news is released. Okay, at the moment, very, very straightforward. We see the 4-hour time frame, and we see that the market, if we have like our support right here, 4,266, and we have the respect also of this area right here. So we're gonna keep an eye on that one. But our closest confirmation is to see that the price at the moment is staying above 4,440. Okay, so we're gonna keep this rolling here. In case if what happening is this is only for us to check confirmations when the move comes, because sometimes what will happen is the market can probably go and take liquidity from this area and then drastically come down and respect our area and then give us an entry. But if the case is different, that we see the price breaking below this low here, very likely that we're going to have a drop to the next support level. So let's have a look on that. But again, this is only technical. Fundamentals is something else entirely different. Okay, so that's in 4-hour time frame. So once again, we're just gonna keep an eye on the market and see what it's gonna do. So we're also gonna keep an eye on this price here, expecting the price to see what it does. But again, these are prices in the 4-hour time frame. When we see this high here as well, let's keep an eye on that. And these are markup in 4 hours, so we have an idea what will probably happen in the market in case we see the price coming to these different areas. Okay, no more than that. Okay, now we are gonna draw a trend line as well. So, but we're gonna try to find as many touches as we can. So that's also another confirmation for the price to respect the trend line together with the zone that we're marking. So it would be a stronger confirmation for us to see from technical perspective what's going on. So the move that we're expecting in case we're gonna get in is to see the following confirmation. If it goes as forecast, is to see the price at least break this area and then give us a retest and then keep going up to this point here. Okay, that's a possible move that we can speculate can happen. But for now, again, confirmation will be the break of 4,515 at least. Okay. And then if the move is to go down, it's simple as this. So we wait for the price to respect this area right here and then come down, break this low, and keep going down to the support area. In case it's only liquidity grab, is to take out whatever people have the stop loss position around here, 4,420 and 4,400. Okay, that will be a possible move as well, and then take out these prices and go up. So there's a different kind of move, depends on the move on the release of the news. Okay. Any views, guys? So you can share it on the chat if you like, so we can see whatever view you have. So you have any views about the news? Any speculation? Don't worry, it's not right or wrong. It's just, let's say, speculation. So let's have a look. So we have, it's only welcoming me. Okay, thank you, Harman.
According to news and past, I think for me, I'm leaning more into bearish.
Okay, leaning to bearish. That's good to see. Once again, let's wait for the best confirmation as possible. But yeah, seems to be that it could be also as usual fake house that we have. Okay, now going into, we still have some time. We're gonna have to go into 15 minutes to see possible scenarios again in line with 4 hours. And as you can see, we want to see like this area, probable mitigation of this area here in case the bearish move. So that means the price shouldn't go above. And then if Ricardo is right on his view, very likely that's going to happen. Take some liquidity here and then drop. Okay, but again, let's wait for the news release. Okay, at the moment is okay. 5 minutes is breaking some of the resistance. Let's see if we keep doing that. In 5 minutes, we would like to see the price to remain. If the move is bullish, the price must remain above 4,559. That's in 5 minutes. But if the price is to drop below that, very likely again, if in line with the news, we need to see where it's heading. So we're gonna try to predict, but at the same time, I don't like to trade against the news. That's why I always wait for the release. But today, it has been massive since the morning, as you can see, up and down, and it's very, very dodgy when it's this way to trade. So I hope that you've been patient and that you've been having a good week and securing profits. Okay. So we have 6 minutes for the news. For now, let's also have our opposite trend line, the follow time frame, so we can just. How many people we have in the call today? We have 12 people. It's really nice. Once again, let's have a look what's going to happen. Let's have another confirmation. Look for confirmation from this point. This point. So a few touches, which is good. Let's leave it there. So this pattern, and also I was checking the pricing monthly, and it's really a big drop that we've been having for the last 4 months, so 3 months plus. So because we are just started this month, so being the biggest bearish month, March, as you can see, but at the moment monthly showing that it's getting like exhausted the price, but we never know. Let's have a look. Okay, how long? 4 minutes to go, guys. 4 minutes to go. Let's go back to 5 minutes.
Just a reminder, guys, this is high risk, okay? You know how news can be. Just if you have your risk account, it's better to use your risk account. Yeah, we just be ready with your finger on the trigger. Remember, we're not going to be giving you TPs or anything like that. Because it's news, we will be working with 100 pips SL. Just as soon as you're happy with your profit, you can close it or you can put in break even. Just protect your capital, okay? Just a reminder.
Yes, always remember that. No financial advice, but at the same time, remember that trader always need to protect their account. So always use a risk account. If you don't have one, just get in contact with Ricardo so he can help you setting up, or whatever you need, let Ricardo know so he can help you. Okay, the moment we see that some rejection on the price, and let's see now what it does, if it respect this. So once again, let's have a look. This is the area to break this price here. Okay, everything been said, so we just waiting now for the news. 3 minutes to go. Let's have a look what is coming to us. Once again, Ricardo's speculation was that we're gonna have a bearish move. So let's have a look. Again, that's still a guess, but anything can happen during news. We got 14 people in the call. Very nice, guys. 2 minutes to go. Let's see if we can make some profit together.
I was thinking of sending a sell in 72, but yeah, because of news, didn't want to risk it. But yeah, look, 100 pips already.
Yeah, that was a really good view there. Waiting for the bearish move. But yeah, it's very, very close now. So let's wait and see. Don't rush it. You know, we are in a marathon. If it's not today, it's going to be another day. That's how it is. We go to 5 minutes. Let's see. 1 minute to go. Welcome to everyone that joined just now. Remember, this is not financial advice. Use a high-risk account if you are using if you are trading NFP. It's the biggest move in the forex market, so be careful. 50 seconds to go. $50 seconds. Let's go. 30 seconds. We're almost there. Remember that we're gonna say only buy or sell. The recommended SL is 100 pips because of the news. So just be ready to pull the trigger. We're not gonna be giving coordinates. We're just gonna try to do our best to identify an entry and take it. So 10 seconds to go. So let's be ready. There we go. Started to push down. Well done, Ricardo. Well done in that prediction. So it's positive for the dollar. So that means we're going to try to sell. Well done with the prediction, Ricardo.
It's okay.
And now let's see if we find an entry. So remember, this was our confirmation, this break on the technical analysis. So now we have that confirmation. We now need to wait just for a retracement and sell. That's what we're going to do. We're going to sell. Sell now. Yeah, 4450 was the entry. Remember, protect your capital. 4450 was the entry. It was 30 pips. It's moving very fast. Remember, this is NFP. It doesn't play around. So just do whatever you like. We are selling from 4450.
You already gave 30 pips.
Yep, he gave 30 pips. Let's see. Let's wait to see if we get another entry. Very likely that's gonna try to play around here. I would like to see the price coming between 459 and 4463. That would be a good price to enter if we get the entry there. But for now, let's see what the price is gonna do. Okay. There we go. So what we need now, let's go 30 minutes. We need a heavy drop in the price to at least break this trend line here, 1 hour trend line. That would be a better confirmation for the drop. But again, let's see what the price is gonna do. Yeah, this is the this is where I like to see the price come at least in this area here. Then give us another entry. And obviously respect the area. The numbers are really from the previous, it's not really that much. So remember that the price can play around when the numbers are like that. So it's only 7K difference. Okay, let's wait for the 5 minutes candle to close. And then we should be good to decide something around here as well. 5 minutes close. Right. Take another sell here. If you secure profit.
Yes, let's go.
52 is the sell call. Moving 20 pips. There we go, there we go. Come on, go. Play, play, play. Go. Let's go, baby. See the 5 minutes. Let's go, baby. 40 pips. Yes, there we go. Everything in profit. The entry from 50, the entry for 40, 52. So, wow. Very, very amazing.
Here we go.
Go, here we go, here we go. Give us the drop. Give us the drop. Come on, guys. You're not making any profit. You know,
Keep securing profits, guys. Keep securing profits. Come on.
Yeah. We are 100 pips now. Come on, that is 100 pips in the back. Oh, let's go. Break that, baby. Come on, go. You know you want to give it.
Beautiful.
Anyways, guys, I think my job is done here. So thank you very much for joining. I know that's how it is these days. Thank you. That's really, really good. Let's see if we
did anyone gain on that sale? And you can write on the chat, you know.
Yeah, bro, we are in.
Okay, good.
They miss it. Oh, okay, it was missed, no problem. Again, we are now in a sensitive area that as we mark up in our analysis. The speculation, I would say, is to see the 4-hour candle that is dropping now to take over this one. And then close below that one. That would be a very good confirmation for the bearish move. And then go to the next step would be like breaking this 4-hour trend line down here. So that's why we have all these lines as confirmation. Sorry guys if you missed it. We call it very clear. I don't know what happened in there. Probably you didn't listen or about the entry. I don't know, Ricardo, why it was missed. Or they just didn't want to get in.
I think so. I don't know. They just missed it.
Okay.
Maybe they were afraid.
Yeah, it's not easy. You say I couldn't hear correctly. Okay. Speakers playing up. Okay. No problem, no problem. And remember, more opportunities. But we call 2 cells in this call. So and remember, if you have a nice week, just call it a day as well. Call it a week. Because you don't have to be chasing the market anymore. Okay. Come on, baby. Give us the break.
If it breaks this, there's gonna go 4-4-3-2.
Which is really, really good. Let me see. Let's study this. What a beautiful candle in 1 hour. Look at this, guys. I really love it. Beautiful candle, respecting the trend line so far, but I think, let me see how the 5 minutes is closing, and then we can, yeah. Very likely we're gonna have a push down in the next 10 minutes, or a little bit of retracement to confuse things, and then push down. Let's see. I hope that you securing profit, whoever entered the trades.
So that's the whole point of live, bro. It's just you need to listen when we say buy, so we cannot write and look at the chart. I apologize for that. That's like I said, that's the live. We say buy. We did say sell. We said the price. I don't know what more can we do.
It happens, it's fine. Next opportunity, we move on. Let's see now. It's 15 minutes candle. We need to wait for it.
Yeah, that's what I'm waiting for to see what it says.
I would like to see a closing below the trend line, so that will be really awesome. The sun, and we have 15 minutes support down here. That is around where you say it's going to react if it reaches 4432, something like that. I think you mentioned, right?
4432, yes.
Mm.
7.
NFP move. Fifteen minutes, 3 minutes to close. 15 minutes candle. Is the place to when we want to see the price doing something. Take this off. Take this out. Now it was powerful, man. Let's see if it breaks.
we're planning to sell again. We're just finding another entry, which I'll say 47 was a good entry, but I'm just waiting for the 15-minute candle as well to close.
Yeah. The plan now is just if the price might remain below here in this area, remain below here, it will keep selling if a 15-minute candle close.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. 4,448.
Plan B, if it breaks 4443, and then we just wait for a retest and then we keep selling.
If we break it above 4,450 again, so they are very likely that we're gonna have again price coming back here and correct the move. Okay, I think it's getting ready to sell again very soon.
Come on, let's go. Let's see what the 15 says.
We don't have any major rejection, even in 1 minute. All the lower time frames are lying. Well, let's see. There we go. It's closing in 6 seconds. Again, from my view, it's getting ready to sell again. Let's see. It's closed now, 15 minutes.
Okay, I'm selling from here, selling
Yeah.
from 47. I'm selling from 47, selling from 47. It's already
Excellent.
running. It's already running 30 pips.
Excellent entry point. Let's see what happens. It went back to entry.
Yeah. I'm gonna wait for 49 to enter again.
Yeah. Good price. Then half here this barrier. Let's have a look. Hopefully it remains below 50. So we give the drop.
Let's go.
Okay. Hitting 49 very soon. Yeah. 49 has been hit. This is the confusing thing about technical, because fundamentals, because everything is telling me now if it's only technical, if the price respect this to then fine by entry. But again, the news are very dodgy. Don't get confused. Who got the entry of 49? Do you enter, Ricardo?
Yes, and exit with 20 pips. I
There
got
you
just
go.
one run,
Moving.
one runner.
It's moving. Slowly but steady. Some pips today, even though it's a bit like
Some pips, 2 entries, 100 pips each. That's 200 pips, bro. That's not some pips. That's what a lot of people do in like a week. Okay, so the 49 is already running 30 pips. Okay, so make sure you secure in profits.
Very good. Let's see, 3 minutes. It's not playing nicely.
40 pips. Securing profits and just leaving runners. Possible exits. Possible exits, you can exit around 45, 44. Yes. If you want to, if you want like a target. Normally I give targets. So target number 1 will be 44, 44, 45. If it breaks that, then the second target will be
32.
32, 38. Then it will be 32.
Yeah, moving now to the 4 hours. I'm hoping that it clears all of this. So all this purple area is all liquidity.
So first target's done. Okay, so we hit 40, 44. So that's like 50 pips from 49. Beautiful.
This is what I think is going to be clear if we break the trend line.
We need to break 443 for it to continue. So that's why I said 444. That was a good exit. Get your profits. If you have a runner, just leave a runner with break even. Simple as that.
This is the move that now I'm convinced is gonna happen. So we should be able now, if break the trend line that's been strong, then we have the move to clear this.
So running 90 pips on the last sell.
Go back here and then drop it.
Did anyone go in on this sell? On the last one?
Yeah, bro, on 49 and 47. Both.
Oof, beautiful. Come on. There you go. Trend line is done. Come on. Keep it down.
Yes.
Keep going, bro.
What? Second target done. That was 38. Now go for the last. For me, will be the last one. 32.
Come on. We even drawing the map to you guys. You decide to hold or not hold. And again, we're going by targets. Always, if you're trying to hold, you hold in break even and securing profit at the same time. At least half of it, and then the other half, just let it run. That's how it is.
I exit at 36. I exit at 36.
Good exit. Well done, Harmon.
Yeah, that's it, man. Yeah, it's like get your profit. As long as you get your profit, we're happy, man. Haiti can hold. Are you asking if you can hold? We'll give you the target. It's up to you if you want to hold.
Look at this party, bro. 4, 4, 3, 3 now.
Yeah.
Come on. I'm so happy to be here with you guys, making money on a Friday afternoon. Wow.
Yeah. Last target done. I'm out. I'm out, my friends.
People hate NFP, but we love NFP.
I love NFP, man. I love NFP, seriously. If you don't profit with us, please share your profits. If you're in the free channel or if you have a premium channel, share it and mention the live, okay? Mention you done this in the live. Send this link. We do live nearly every day, US. So share with anyone that wants to make money live with this kind of setups, okay? Wow, look at that.
The liquidity has been cleared, and we have the bounce exactly on the painting. So it's following the lines. So that how beautiful was that move, guys? Liquidity, we mark it up on the red zone, and then we have this here that is gonna bounce, and it's trying to bounce. But again, this is done live, as Ricardo said, come on. The song is broken now. Now we're going to the next trend line. Now we adjust. Now the plan could be this one. So trend line, trying to hit trend line, but then now we go a bit down because now this zone becomes a little bit of resistance. So let's have a look. But again, it was lovely. How many pips, Ricardo, has been done?
A lot, bro. I need to count it.
This is beautiful. So yeah, the moment we went and hit, I don't know, guys, if you helped, but if you did, congratulations. If you follow the recommendations. Okay, I think we are done now. Yeah, it's nothing else
Yes, nothing.
for us to do. 200 pips. Oh wow, this Heady has done 200 pips. Are we selling again, guys? Oh wow. I don't know if it's
VR2 wants more money. Come on, man.
yeah, I can see that, but
Take a break. No, only joking. You can do it if you want, but we are done for now.
yeah, well, this
I'm
has
done
been
for the live. If you are in my premium channel, definitely there will be more signals in a bit. So if you're not in the premium channel, just send me a message and I'll tell you how you can get into the premium channel.
yeah, plus 400 pips in this call. Congratulations for those who benefit. Thank you, Ricardo, for inviting me and for yeah, I just stopped sharing the screen now and all the best
Hold
to
on.
all of you.
Thank you. You're the master NFP, bro. That's why
Keep it up, keep it up.
you were invited.
Armand and guys, take care all. Bye bye. See you next time.
Wow, look at that drop. Look at that drop. So beautiful. It's not even respecting, well, that's a 15 minutes.
I stay here and just watching. That's incredible. That's more than 500 pips in this call. It's just something else.
Still got my runner, you know.
Wow, what a beautiful move.
Now, if I want to enter another cell, I'm gonna wait for 443, 443. Oh, well, yeah. Well, I'll see. To be honest, I need to do another analysis after the news.
I believe that the target, if you go to the daily now, I think it's more liquidity to clear. If we manage to break below 4,405 or 4,400, then next target will be the area 4,380 or something like that. But I need to break below 4,400, which is a psychological level. On the daily is if you put the daily, it already has engulfed the previous daily to the downside. So that's a very big sign of a bearish control.
100%.
Yeah, 4,388, I agree with that. That could be a good, beautiful target, but you need to break that green trend line that you have in there. You're welcome, BR2. You're welcome, James, Hedy, everyone. You guys are welcome. Anyways, now I say goodbye. Thank you, Ricardo. Take care, man. All the best. Speak to you soon.
Thank you. Take care.
Bye.
Okay, so that was Master Kelvin with his NFP analysis. He is a great guy. So, obviously, we're going to look for sells. There's no way I'm going to risk a buy. I'm just waiting for the 15 minute candle to close. And a possible sell will be if he retests the 4424. That's the previous daily low. That's going to be acting as a resistance. But let's just wait and see, okay? Don't rush. There's a key level here, 87. There's a possible support. And I'm going to set my runner for that goal, 4387. Come on. Okay, 1 hour. This could be also 4-4. That's a support there. But I don't think it's gonna, well, he did respect, as you can see, look. But it's bearish momentum is too strong, so like I said, buys. It could probably now bounce a bit from here to 60 pips. So it is risky to enter a buy, but just there you go. If you enter, for example, you already done 40 pips and you exit. Okay, so I will be looking to sell again around 19 to 24 on this area. But now it is risky, okay? It's even like still high risk. Because of the bearish trend, it might even bounce from the end of this area there. Okay, if you want to take the risk with me, get ready, and let's go in for a sell around now 100 pips. I'm going for a sell. I'm hoping it's already, well, there you go. 40 pips in an instant. There we go. Happy? 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 Did anyone get in? That was clear enough. 70 pips done already. 80 pips done already. Simple as that. If you have our indicators, you can see, it can clearly shows you the way where the price is going to bounce, and you just obey it. 80 pips, 80 pips on the last one. Beautiful, come on. Go back, go back, go back. Why did I gain on that? My indicator told me as well, as you can see here, 15-minute downtrend. So we were still on downtrend. So I just waited on my 15 minutes to go to a key level where it could bounce. And this is bouncing, as simple as that. Just wait for the retest, go down. So only James went in. What happened, BR2? You were asking for sales. I told you about sales. I hope you go in. Okay, great. I love seeing you guys making profit. Please share your profits with me, okay? And if you can mention Eldorado Live, it will be great. That's all we ask. This is free for you guys. So just I'm asking that for a favor. Moving your AG, man. And why did you buy? What made you buy? I'm just wondering. So yeah, around here where I said it will bounce. Look, it bounced right there. That was a good call, yeah. In the 1 hour chart. All right, guys, I think I'm done for the day. We done what? 4 signals. Uh, yeah, 4 signals. I don't know how many pips we did. I need to just check it out. I'm sure we did nearly 1,000 pips. Close to it. I love when NFP moves that quick. Last month's NFP was a nightmare. It was just literally, there was no movement. And it was just a lot of, I don't know if it was manipulation. Don't know what happened, but it was so boring. Or maybe because it was because Master Kelvin was on the live last Monday. It was just me, so it was very boring. Okay, so you need a sell. Okay, let's just wait for the 15 minutes, and it's may probably we'll see. I'm looking mostly likely around 1924 this area. Or 2024 this area for a sell. Well, I need to wait for the 15 minutes to close.
Contigo, la guacha suelta. Vete pa' Canarias sin el equipaje, sin viaje de vuelta. Una vuelta, solo avisa. El sábado te doy, el domingo misa. Voy a ver si me garantiza que te me pegas como quien graba con Baby. Salir a las amigas del party, ella se quedó mirando a los ojos en el reloj. Privado, me pedía que, por cierto, le dije que pronto tú me tanto. Y nos fuimos de novio, empezamos a la uni. Y con la nota rápido, no tiene. Toda la noche y no dormimos.
Okay. So what are we doing? Momentum is dying off a bit, so let's just wait for the 15 minutes to close. If it closes above here, I will wait for 24, 28 mark. 1 minute to go. I'm gonna wait for 24 to go for a sell, okay? If it doesn't go, then that's it. I'm not doing anything else. If it drops from here, then it's not meant to be. Here we go. Come on. Come on. Come on. You know you want more liquidity. Come on, go up. That's where we need to be patient. Just wait for 24.
No sé si fueron las luces, quizá antes no me olvidé de eso que me pensé. Quiero que me comas toda, tanto estoy yo quedando sola. Te pido que me dejes caer, ganas que me descontrolan. Pero saben que no es bueno, no es bueno. Yo tengo un llamar que de platito y soltero y quiero repetir y por eso te digo rompe el suelo, dale ponte loquita y después mi favorita si no quieres siete recordándote. ¿Cuál es tu plan? Baby, conmigo que sé que estás mal. Rompemos nuestro pacto, pero no da igual. Como sentimos, sé que no es bueno. No, la culpa, pero sé que no tengo culpa. Decir eso negativo cuando te
Yeah, I'm gonna take the risk. I'm going to enter a sell here. 18. 18 for a sell, 100 pips a sell. Okay, so let's go in for the sell. Instant 20 pips. Come on. Forty pips. Come on, we need to break this. First target will be 44.10. We should have been in break even. It might just come and grab liquidity from 24. But everyone should have secured at least 40 pips. This is a scalping, people. I know this is, we go like 100, well, we go 400 pips, 300 pips. Everyone wants that. But with gold, it's better to scalp unless you have, a lot of capital that you can hold. Did anyone get in the buy in the sell, sorry? Did anyone secure profits? Are you still holding? Obin, you said you wanted to sell. Give yourself 40 pips with the possibility of a great drop now. Here you go. Quick 60 pips. James, you need to have two accounts, bro. One for news and one for things. Just an advice because maybe the limit is not gonna activate. But I mean, if you're profit and you don't really care if it doesn't activate, that's another thing as well. So I'm just saying. Come on. 60 pips running. Collect your profits. Sleep runners. Look at the beauty. Okay, first target hit. Beautiful 80 pips in the pocket. Yes. Let's go. Second target will be here again. 4400. Mobbing, yes. You should activate the limit. That would have been nice, but oh well. Like Master Kevin was saying, I don't know why people don't like NFP. Maybe they are not just patience. Okay, I think my idea will be if it closes around here, and if my indicator gives me another 15-minute downtrend, then it should come and take liquidity for around 24 and then drop. That's the idea. But if it closes above, like in around 2021, I think I'm going to close the limit. And maybe we'll wait for around this 28. Guys, if you don't have these indicators, you need them. As you can see, clearly you know where to enter. And the important bit, where to exit as well. I told you to exit around 4410 because of this, like that's the end of this area. I knew it was going to be some kind of bounce. Because that's another thing. A lot of people probably they know how to enter, but they don't know when to exit. And they always leave money in their account. Yeah. All right, guys, it's been fun. I'm going to leave you now. Take care. Thank you for being with us. Please share your profits. Even if it's little profit, doesn't matter. Just share your profits and send us something saying that ElDorado Life works, and that's the profit. Okay, take care. See you on Tuesday for the US session. I don't really do live on Monday, so Tuesday live session at 1:50.